Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Troubleshooting Azure Functions, unable to import certain Python packages. Introduction. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that allows you to run event-driven code without managing infrastructure. It supports various programming languages, including Python. While developing Python Azure Functions, you may encounter issues when trying to import certain Python packages. This tutorial will guide you through troubleshooting and resolving these import issues. Prerequisites. Step 1. Check your Function App configuration. Before diving into troubleshooting, ensure that your Azure Function App is configured correctly. You can do this by checking the following. Step 2. Review the Azure Functions project structure. Check your Azure Functions project structure. It should include a requirements.txt file that lists the Python packages your functions depend on. If you're missing this file, create it in the root of your project and list the required packages. Example requirements.txt file. Step 3. Install dependencies locally. To verify if the issue is with a specific package, try installing it locally within your Azure Functions environment. Follow these steps. Replace package_name with the name of the package you're having trouble importing. This command installs the package within your Function App's environment, making it accessible to your function. Step 4. Check Azure Functions logs. Azure Functions provide extensive logging capabilities, which can be helpful for diagnosing import issues. To check the logs, follow these steps. Review the logs for any import errors or missing dependencies. The logs can provide valuable information on what is causing the import issue. Step 5. Add custom handler. In some cases, you may need to specify a custom handler for your function, especially if you're using non-standard entry points. To do this, add an __init__.py file to your function directory and define your function entry point. Here's an example. This allows you to customize how your function is executed and can help resolve import issues. Step 6. Update Function App configuration. If you've made changes to your Function App configuration or code, you might need to restart your Function App. This can be done through the Azure portal by navigating to your Function App and clicking the Restart button. Conclusion. Troubleshooting import issues with Python packages in Azure Functions can be challenging, but by following the steps in this tutorial, you can identify and resolve these issues effectively. Ensure your Function App is configured correctly, review your project structure, check the logs, and make necessary updates to your function code. With these steps, you'll be able to successfully import and use Python packages in your Azure Functions. ChatGPT.